Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Charge the watch to at least half, power it on, and place it within a meter or 3 of your phone. On your phone, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth or launch the watch's companion app if required. Once done, put the watch into pairing mode, usually found in Settings Bluetooth or via a long press on the power button, so the device broadcasts its name. This step makes discovery fast and reliable. Now you move to discovery. On the phone, tap Scan or Refresh and look for the exact watch name displayed. Select it, and when a PIN or pairing code appears, confirm that the numbers match on both screens. This step prevents accidental pairings. After accepting, grant the companion app or system permissions such as notifications, contacts, and location if prompted, because these let the watch sync alerts and data. Make sure to accept and to finish, open the companion app and complete initial sync. Let health, time, and notification settings transfer and customize watch faces or alerts. If the watch doesn't appear or keeps disconnecting, restart both phone and watch, then try pairing again. Restarting clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, unpair and repair, reset network settings on the phone, and only then factory reset the watch. Key troubleshooting tip: confirm no other device is actively connected to the watch. Disconnect extras before pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.